help us understand the model. It asks us to look at the model and answer the following questions. A column is what fraction of the whole? So we've talked about a column being a vertical or up and down row. How many vertical rows? How many columns are there? Well, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 total. And each one is just 1/3 of the whole. So that would be your answer for the first part of that question. Get my marks out of the way here. And we'll approach the other one. The second question says, each row is what fraction of the whole? So the rows are just the regular side-to-side horizontal ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 total rows. And each one is 1/4 of the total whole. How many parts are in the whole? To answer that third question, all you got to do is count the squares, and we've talked about it as birthday cake in class. So how many squares are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you would write 12 to answer the question, how many parts are in the whole? Then it says, the dark gray parts show 3/4 of 1/3. What fraction of the whole is 3/4 of 1/3? So let's take a look at this. We will get the numbers out of the way again. And we want to see that we have 3/4, that's not the one, 3/4 shaded here. It's 1, 2, 3, and we're going to have 1/3 shaded the opposite direction. And to answer the multiplication question, it's going to say something like, how many squares are both blue and red? So we already counted the total number of squares. There are 12 of them in the whole, and there's 1, 2, 3 of them that are shaded both blue and red. For this question, there is no need to simplify, and this is also the question for what is the product of 3/4 times 1/3. This is how you draw a picture of this question. 1/3 times 3/4, it doesn't matter which order I put them in, is going to equal that 3/12, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify it anyway because I can't stop myself. 3 and 12 share the number 3, so we can pull that out of there and end up with 1/4, and that's what we would write as a simplified answer right here.